Hi everyone, I'm back and I'm going to do a couple of videos now, but I want to use up this paint that I made, with the previous pour. So what I'm going to do is, let's see if this is good. Yes, it is. A lot of white and all the pinks. That's that. This one. Then the light pink. That's that one. Then I had some really nice magenta. And I have one more. Ooh, this one's a little, no it's not, it's okay. And then again, a lot of white on top. And some from really up high. So that's it. I think that'll be enough for this this painting. Wow, look at that. That is a lot of cells. That is crazy. Look at that. That's too much. That's way too much cells. Look in the cup. Oh boy, that's too much. Wow, look at that. Okay, that's too much cells, but I really do like this, what's happening here. Let me get you in close. Let's see. Wow, that is a lot. Let me get my... Because what I wanted to do is do something with this, with my new little buddy here. It's kind of nice. See what's happening. Oh, that's better. Why is it going so crazy with the lights? I'm not sure. That's what we want. Spreading this up here. Letting it go over the side. There it is. Just need to clean off my hands a little bit. And I am going to torch it. Just to get rid of the bubbles. Now the thing is that I don't really like it. It's too much, it's too many, too pinky, and it's too, I don't know, just don't like it. So we're going to do something to it. Let's see what we can do. Still not really liking it though. Nah. I think I'm going to do something to it. I'm going to use the brown. That's looking better, yeah. Okay. And there's one more thing I'd like to do. I'm gonna do that here. Oops. That. Now I have to fix this thing I did here. One more thing I want to do. Let's see if I can use some. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I think I'm ready, only I have to put some more here on the edge because I have a little bit of corner exposed. that's it. The others are okay. Now I'll give you a close-up. And that's it. So, oops, I see something I don't like. I don't like that jaggedy edge. Let's do something to that while we still can. That's better. Oops. I wish that thing would self-focus. There it is. That's better. That had a little jaggedy edge and I didn't really care for that too much. Okay, we're ready. So this is it. This is the final thing. I'm not going to do anything more to it. I really like the brown and the pink, how that reacts together. So I'm pretty happy with it. Maybe I would have liked this to be a little bit bigger, I think, just to balance it out. Let's see if we can still do that. There it is. That's better. Yeah, that looks better. There is a little bit more of a balance up there. So that's it. Final, done, walk away. So thanks again for watching, guys. I'll be back with my 3D bubble stuff, and I'll see you in a bit. Love you all to pieces. Bye-bye.